Hello, welcome to Kenya USA Times TV. I want us to talk about the requirements in order for you to apply for diversity visa lottery. And in this case, I've been telling people to get prepared for DV 2025 application, which will start in around October this year, the first week of October, and then it ends on the first week of November. So we need to get prepared, and I wish many people will win this diversity visa lottery. What are the requirements? Number one, according to the Department of State website, the first requirement is you must have high school education. High school education. When I say high school education, it means that 12 years of education, O level ukiwa Kenya. And if you don't have high school qualification, you must have at least 2 years work experience. And with 2 years of work experience, it means that not any other job or not any other work experience, but from qualifying work experience. That's according to onenet.com. If you go there, you will see that not all jobs have qualifying work experience. So sio kila kazi ina qualify hapo. Huwezi kuwa unafanya kinyozi alafu useme sasa that's a qualifying work experience. No. It should be work that should range from job zone 4 towards 5 at a 6. So in a way these jobs will require more education, more training. So it's really hard for people to pass through this work experience route. And in any case, hata ukipitia hii work experience route, utahitaji masomo hapo. Yes, for you to be maybe a doctor, at least umepitia high school. So I don't see any direct route for work experience route. So for most people, you will qualify through education route. That's high school diploma. Kwa Kenya, high school diploma means KCSE. You have a KCSE certificate. Na minimum qualification, it ranges from D- and above. So bare minimum, D- and above. So most people will qualify kwa mambo ya education documents. Hii kitu tumepatiwa tu, it's just ukue tu na hiyo certificate, D- yako, then you are good to go. Kwa wengine, they may qualify through work experience, but it's hard. Hiyo ni ngumu. Thirdly, you have also to see if your country is eligible. Yes. Every year before diversity visa lottery is started, Department of State release the list of eligible countries. And countries like Nigeria, for example, have not been on that list for the last, I think, 3 years. So what to Nigeria, they cannot qualify. However, if somebody from Nigeria can marry somebody maybe from Ghana or any other eligible country, wanaweza qualify through marriage. Yes. But for most Kenyans, we qualify, I think. And why are some countries said to be ineligible? The fact is, kama watu wengi from a certain country, wamekuwa wengi wenye wanapitia diversity visa route, wakiwa wengi, wanawekwa nyuma. You know, the intention of Department of State ni kuwa na diversity. And wanakuwa na metrics. They do calculation every year. Na wanaona ni watu wangapi from this region, this country wamekuja. Na wanapatia quota. Kuna quota. Ikifika kiwango fulani, unaweka nchi yenu in the list of those ineligible to apply for diversity visa. Obviously, there are many routes. Kama nchi yako haiko qualify, you can use other routes, maybe student visa or F1, ama green card through employment can be another route, and many more. So, KCSE. Ikisema KCSE, lazima we make sure that your KCSE is okay. It's legit. Ile River Road will not be accepted. Before you go to the embassy, lazima uweze kufanya verification of your KCSE certificate. The embassy will want to ascertain that your document is legit. Hawezi kukubali tu on the face value, and that's why there is verification. Yes, another thing is, for this DV 2025, you don't need a passport to apply. That's so nice. You don't need a passport to apply. You can apply before you have any passport. You can use and make sure that whatever you are filling in that application form is accurate according to your identifying documents. Please, kama una passport, make sure that unatumia birth certificate as a primary document. Yes, kama ni jina, unaangalia birth certificate, city of birth, and so forth. That way you won't go wrong. And if you have a passport, tumia passport. Mambo yenye details yenye unaandika ifanane na passport. But I always encourage people, because you have time, you can apply for passport. Ikifika on time, sawa. Isipofika, no, you can just apply without a passport. There is no, previously, walikuwa na require a person to have a passport before saila ana apply anaweka passport number mahali. But later on they changed that regulation, and I think hii imesaidia watu wengi, because a lot of people will apply. During my time, I think we were required to use passport, yeah. Na wenye tuli apply hatukuwa, in my estimation, sioni hatukuwa wengi. Around the world, we were about 9 million, those who applied for DV 2023. Na wenye walichaguliwa na machine system. First of all, ukicheza hii game, ni computer inachagua. Yes. So, wenye tulichaguliwa ni 119,000. And remember, they only need 55,000 visas. So, not all the cases will reach interview stage. And one thing is, the lower your case number, the better your chance. Lakini case number yako, ikiwa juu sana, your chances are slim. Na nikisema low case number, a number from 1 to maybe 10,000 is considered a low case number. Maybe from 15,000 to around 20,000, medium or average. Ama maybe 30,000 hivi. Hiyo tunaangalia kama a medium case number. Then again, maybe from 45 to 55 and above, high case number. Na sijasema ati ukiwa na high case number you may not huwezi pata interview, no. But chances, to be realistic, I like to be realistic. Chances ya upate visa iko slim. And it's beyond you. Ukijaza hii game, it's beyond you. You can't say that ati nataka hii number. No, sitaki hii number, nataka lower case number. No. Just play, leave the rest to God. So, I normally advise people that if you have a high case number, a case number like maybe from 50,000, ikifika wakati ya apply the next diversity visa, just apply. I remember during my time, DV 2023, we were in a WhatsApp group ya wenye wali win. Kuna DV 2023 WhatsApp group, tulikuwa hapo ndani. So nikaambia watu wenye wako na high case number to apply for DV 2024. Some people wakanicheka wakasema hapana, kwani wewe una imani? Yeah? Everybody will get visa. They can be, okay, it's upon you, but to be realistic, it's better to diversify your risk. Yeah? Hata ukiwa na high case number, think of changing your interview location early enough. Yes. Unaweza enda maybe Qatar, or maybe TZ, because those countries hawana watu wengi wa DV lottery. So you can easily get scheduled for interviews hata kama case number yako iko juu. And there have been cases whereby unasikia mtu wako na, there was a case, somebody had 50-something thousand. Was it 59,000 case number? And was given interview huko Qatar. 59 is a high case number, but somebody was successfully given interview na akapatiwa visa. So lazima uweze kuwa mchanja, ujue ways of changing interview station ama embassy. And there is a way to do that. You can, sa ile unajaza DS260, kuna option ya kujaza your preferred embassy. But there is a catch in such a situation, because the country you are going to do interviews may require you to have maybe, not even the country, the embassy may require you to have a legitimate job. So maybe you can apply for a job, but a work permit, ufanye kidogo. Then so that when you go to the embassy, wanaku prioritize. Na hata wakiuliza the reason you transferred your case to a foreign country, watajua uko job. That is a legitimate reason. Some embassies may not mind, but hiyo ni kubahatisha tu. So hii vitu ni kuwa mjanja, especially ukiangukia high case number. Unfortunately, kuwa mchanja with a high case number will mean that at least ukuwe na some amount of money, so that you may travel around, look for work permit. But I think route kama ya TZ Tanzania si bali, and I don't think it will cost much. I heard a story of somebody who went to TZ na akafanya interview. Originally interview yake ilikuwa Nairobi. Akaona case number yake haina tumaini, akatransfer to the TZ. Na according to his story, alipata visa. Hizo ni parts of njia za kuwa mjanja. Yes. Something else. Can you, if you are a couple, can you increase your chances? Is there any way you can increase your chances so that anybody from your family can get? Yes, there is. If you are married, you have documents. When I say documents, marriage certificate, you can apply as husband. Now, of course, you may include your group, yani your family. Alafu naye bibi ama wife can apply also. Alafu awa include. And any one of you can win. It's allowed. Easy kama duplicate application, no. Duplicate application ni ile una apply as an individual na unarudia tena, which will lead to disqualification. Hii ingine ni if you are a spouse, bibi ana apply na wewe una apply. It's allowed. I did that, by the way. I applied for myself. Na nika apply for my wife. The only thing I did about my wife application is that I changed my photo. Sikutumia picha yangu in my what do I say? Picha yangu nilibadilisha. Sikutumia the one I used in my application in the one I applied for my wife. So nilitumia picha tofauti. I don't think there is anything wrong with that, but at least nilikuwa nafikiria, because wanasema usitumie picha yenye ulikuwa umetumia in previous application. Nikasema hapana, let me be safe. Yes. So kama uko married, uko na more chances. 2 chances. And kumekuwa na case of somebody from Tanzania. Wali apply wote wawili, husband and wife, na wote wakawin. Sasa walipoangalia results wakaona tu, hii ya husband iko na lower case number than hii ya wife. So wakaamua kujaza DS260 kupitia ya husband. Ile ingine wakawacha. You cannot fill DS260 bill. It will not go well with the embassy official, because wataona in the system, wataona, this person is also associated with this other application. So ukiwin, jaza moja yenye unaona iko na realistic chances, and that is good. Any other way of increasing your chances, vile nilikuwa nimesema, picha piga picha mzuri, enda to a professional photographer akupiga picha vizuri. 2-inch square resolution, 600 by 600. Na kama mtu wa photo studio ajui kuedit, kama unajua kuedit, peleka nyumbani uedit. Na one thing is, akisha kupiga picha, make sure asikutumie hiyo picha kwa WhatsApp. No. WhatsApp has a way of distorting the quality of the photo. Akutumie maybe via email or Bluetooth cable. Ukifika nyumbani una edit. And one thing also, ukiwa na hii soft copy ya picha yako, make sure test the photos you have, maybe yako na the rest of your family. Make sure that ina meet specification. Na vile nilikuwa nimesema in the earlier video kwamba there are about 3 tools. There are more tools of checking your photos. Yes. Kuna yenye inaitwa photo checker, kuna hii photo tool ambayo is part of Department of State. Kuna green card photo checker. Hizo zote mimi nilitumia hizo, and they are good. At least you will know that your photo is of high quality and meets the requirements. Anything else? Okay. Obviously, ukuwe mjanja. Prepare your documents. Weka mahali iko safe. Weka documents zako mahali iko safe. Usiwaje vitu yako sitapakae, no. And there is a case of somebody mwenye aliwin diversity visa lottery, lakini somebody akakuja kurarua nini, I think ilikuwa passport, na aliporarua hii passport na interviews iko karibu, ikaleta shida. Somebody lost. Na kuna sometimes ukipata hii visa, unajua wana stamp on the passport. Take care of that document. Fungia mahali. There have been instances of people wenye wako na maroho chafu, wanakuja kuiba hiyo nini, alafu wanakuacha kwa mataa. Take care. Be responsible. Sio kila mtu anafurahia hii safari, but be careful. Then finally, vile nasemanga, include God in your plans. Let God guide you and direct you, so that each and every step you take will be a blessed step. Yes. Alafu tena, I won't forget, save money. Save pesa. Hii safari ya immigration cost money. Oh, for those who are married, before I forget, ukisha apply, or even before application of diversity visa lottery, kama unajua uta apply, si ufanye sasa legalize your marriage. Najua mmeona, but at least formalize your marriage. Enda kwa DC, it doesn't cost much. Yes, mfanye hiyo nini, wedding kwa ofisi hapo, and it would be good, so that ukienda embassy, at least there is something that will say that you are married. Document. Embassy inahitaji documentation, evidence, proof of marriage. Na mimi naona ni vizuri ufanye before DV application. Though some people, kuna wenye wamefanya after application, yes. But ukiwa na time, na nimekuchanua hivi, do it ASAP. Yes. And with a marriage certificate, sometimes naona watu wanafanya kucertify marriage certificate. Mimi nilifanya, but though nilifanya out of pressure ya watu. Watu wanasema nini embassy inataka sijui certified marriage certificate. Nikafanya, and watu wa Attorney General's office kunisumbua. Watu, they are very corrupt to the core. AG's office Nairobi, corrupt. Why AG's office? Attorney General's office in the center. Ukitaka kufanya certification of your marriage certificate, it's the only place. Huwezi fanyia your devolved unit ama county, hapana. Marriage unaweza fanyia anywhere, in your county, in your whatever. But when it comes to certification, back in Nairobi. And sometimes when you do marriage, mwenye anakufanyia hapo kwa DC, labda akachelewa kutuma returns Nairobi. Then you will be forced to go back to that place. Bush. Na unajua vile wanapenda pesa. Yes. Anyway, with that certified copy of marriage certificate, nilipoenda embassy, nikajaribu kupatiana kwa counter, hawakutaka. Wakasema, we don't need that. We only need the normal marriage certificate. Na nikisema the normal marriage certificate, it's in creamish white in color. Yes, creamish white in color. Na certified copy naye iko blue. Nafikiria nikisema blue ni Bermuda blue or light blue. I don't know the colors. Something blue. Na iko na seal. And for no reason, I don't know why, embassy haikutaka hiyo. Ikataka tu the first marriage certificate. Ikawa sawa. Something else, birth certificate. uko na time. Nilisema in the other video about birth certificate, yani, make sure that iko correct. Make sure iko legit. Na if you know that you got your birth certificate at the right office, yani civil registration office, you don't need to worry. But kama ulituma mtu akutengenezee birth certificate, I think it's high time uende huko Nairobi headquarters ya civil registration. Check if your birth certificate is legit. Why? Because there have been cases whereby unatuma mtu akutengenezea birth certificate, anaenda River Road, anauda na anakula pesa yako. But if you went to the government office, no need of certifying your birth certificate. Mimi nili apply in government office, birth certificate yangu ya watoto government office. So I never even do birth certificate certification. Ikawa hivyo tu. But some people naona watu ukienda kwa various groups, WhatsApp groups, naona kuna watu wanafanya. But there is no need as long as unajua your certificate is legit. Anything else I forget? Pre-prepared. Ukwe prepared. You can apply this thing using your phone or a laptop. Must you go to the cyber? No. Unaweza fanya peke yako. Mimi nili apply on my own. I trust myself. Alafu for the details, the easier way ya kufanya details, vile nilifanya and vile nafanyaga in my any other application, nachukua details za everybody, yangu, sa birth certificate, passport, whatever, na copy, alafu na paste kwa Word document. Do you know why? Najua nikicopy, nikipaste, I will not go wrong with the numbers, unlike doing it manually. I've been doing that. Na iko sawa. So nikianza na application yangu, kama ni jina, address, ama passport number, copy from the Word, unafungua Word somewhere, alafu you go and paste mahali inahitaji. Kama ni passport number, you paste, yes. Kama ni date of whatever. And then be careful about how you align your dates. Yes, unajua Kenya tunaandika day, month, year. But nafikiria in the applications form, it may start with year, month, day, or year, day, month, if I'm not wrong. It's not direct, so be careful when inputting the date of birth. Ilingane na vile inasema. Alafu, the application itself is very clear, self-explanatory. Haihitaji ikusumbue. Ikisema jina, you write the name. City of birth, you write the name. And I know we have issues with the city of birth because saa zingine mahali ulizaliwa si city, alafu hiyo section inasema city of birth. What do you do in such a situation? In my opinion, I think you should write whatever is in your birth certificate. Hata kama si city, just write it. They do understand. Yes, because I can imagine a situation whereby umeandika where ulizaliwa maybe a certain village, alafu unaandika city yenye iko mbali hata na wewe. It may bring issues. And you never know the moods of the consular officer. Wengine wanaweza understand, but don't risk. Write whatever is in your birth certificate. Na nikisema hivi, if you've not applied your passport, make sure nae Juu ni wewe utafill your passport form. Make sure hiyo majina inalingana birth certificate. And I hope also that your KCSE or your diploma or certificate sina carry the same names. And everything will be all right. As long as your country is eligible, you are good to go. Na for sure utakuja US. Hii kitu inaplayiwa na system. It's a computer system. Na what you can do, weka details zako correctly. Weka picha yenye inahitajika. And that will be well. Thank you so much for watching my video. I want more people to apply for DV 2025. And one thing, if you can form WhatsApp groups. Me, before I applied, nilikuwa kwa WhatsApp group. Yeah, somebody called Shiko Hope somewhere. Yes. Yeah, I formed WhatsApp group. Now, in that WhatsApp group, it was a forum whereby we were exchanging ideas. And we never, hatukuenda wrong in most cases because kuna watu wanafanya research in groups. Sasa, ukiuliza swali, they wanakuchipu. Yes, wanakuinbox. I was one of the people, researchers, in one of the groups. So make sure, tafuta groups. In Facebook, ama WhatsApp, kuna watu wenye wako Telegram. And subscribe to these channels yenye inaongea kuhusu diversity visa. Na uweke notification so that whenever we post anything of value that is related to immigration, at least uko kangari. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a nice weekend. Thank you.